Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about strings in Python. So first of all, let us have a look at the objectives, then we start. So today we are going to cover two major topics. So first of them is how introduction to strings in Python. Then we are going to study how can we use characters such as apostrophe s in Python. So let's start with introduction to strings. So if you want to use text in Python, then you have to use a string. Okay. So the question which comes is how to create a string. So you can create a string by entering double or single quotation marks before and after the text. So here in the Python shells, you can see that I have typed Python and I have inserted double quotation marks before and after Python. So I have result as a string. Similarly, I have done for hello, but I have used single quotation marks. Okay, now you can watch this video to understand it better. So let's start this video. So you see, I have my Python shell ready and we are going to understand it in this video. So you see, I started typing Python. Okay, and I have inserted two double quotation marks after it. So I have the second line executed, that is Python. Then I typed in hello in the very similar way and I got result as hello. So this was introduction to strings in Python. Now we talk about how can we use characters like apostrophe s in Python. So you cannot use them directly because you see in apostrophe s, when you type in it in the computer, then you notice then that you have one single quotation mark while typing apostrophe s. So if you want to insert such characters, then you have to put a backslash and after type that character. You will understand better when you watch this video. Okay, so let's start this video. So you see, I have my quotation mark, s was not as a part of string until and unless I inserted and backslash mark. Okay, friends, so you see, I have my result. So thank you friends for watching this video. My name is Faraz from Kidwaie. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, keep watching. Thank you.